So how do you create content or add content to your Google Classroom? So I'm going to show you how that works. So once I go into a class, I have a plus sign in the bottom right hand corner. And when I click on that plus sign, I have 3 different types of content I can post. I have announcements, I have assignments, and I have questions. Announcements think of that like just blocks of content. If I wanted to post text, links, videos, but something that doesn't have an assignment connected to it, those are called announcements. Assignments would be something where I want students to actually submit something. I want them to work on something and then be able to actually turn things in. Questions are more like simple polls or discussions, class discussions that you might want to have online. So let's say I have a video I want to post to a classroom here. So I'm going to hit the plus sign and I'm going to create an announcement. So since this class does not, or this video does not have an assignment connected to it, it's just an announcement. So I'm going to give it a spot here. I can just type in some text. So I'm going to call this setting up classes in Google Classroom. Now at the top, I can choose where this is going to go. So by default, it's going to go in the class that I have open here. But if I have set up multiple hours, I can actually have this post to multiple hours just by checking the box of every class that I want this to go to. I can also choose individual students if I needed to assign a video just to a specific student or post a video to a specific student or group of students. I could do that. Now I have a spot here for topics. Topics are like tags. This allows me to add specific words or phrases that I can associate with my announcement to group things together. So for example, let's say I have a large project that is going to take multiple weeks or months that my students are going to work on. I could create a topic for that called research project. And anytime I post something, be it an assignment, be it an announcement, no matter what it is that I post, I could tag it with the topic research project, and all of the things related to that will all show up in one area. There's a spot here in my main stream on the left that shows all the topics that I have in my page. So I'm going to post a training video. So I created a topic already called training videos, and I'm going to tag this video as a training video. So if you ever wanted to, you could click on the training videos topic and it'll show you anything that I have posted that I have tagged as a video. They would all be there in one spot to look at. Now, down here at the bottom, I can choose what other things I might want to add. I can add attachments. These would be things that are that live on your computer. They could be in Drive, but chances are these probably aren't. They could be Word documents, PDF files, etc. I can add things directly from my Drive by clicking the Drive button. And again, I can search or choose things and attach those things directly to my Drive. I can also add links. These are just web links. I can copy and paste links directly in here and hit add links. And it'll add links to websites directly in my stream. Or I can do YouTube, which is what I have here. So I actually have a YouTube video that I have found, in this case one I've made, that I'm going to link. So I pulled that video up in YouTube. I make sure it's approved. And I'm going to take this link and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go here into my Google Classroom. And again, I simply just click the little YouTube icon here. I can either search all of YouTube or just go to URL and paste that link in there. There it is. I hit add. And so now here is my post. And again, I could hit return and I can add as much as I want. Maybe I want a description. This video shows the options you have to set up classes in Google Classroom. And when I'm ready, I can go ahead and click post. Now before I do that, I do have this little triangle next to it. I do have the ability to schedule posts. If I wanted to post it at a specific day and time, I could do that. I can also save these as drafts. If I save a post as a draft, it'll show up here at the top under saved posts. And anytime I want, I can click on my saved posts, find that post, open it up, and then hit post to make it live on my page. You can preload your content if you want and kind of set it up ahead of time. You just have to either schedule or save them as drafts before you're ready for them to actually go live on your page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit post. And then once I click post, this is going to get posted. It says, hey, are you sure? The students are going to see this immediately. Yes, I'm sure. And now it shows up on my stream that all of my students will be able to see and comment on.